Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials: admin credentials, the router model, and a laptop on Ethernet to avoid drops. Once connected, open the router IP in your browser and log in as admin. This gives you access to configuration and backup tools. Make sure to note current WAN and LAN settings so you can verify later. If prompted, enable Advanced or Expert View. This exposes backup/export options. You're now positioned to create a reliable backup. Once in the admin UI, go to System, Administration, or Maintenance and find the Backup or Configuration section to export settings. You want to choose Export or Download. Pick Encrypted if available for security, otherwise plain config is fine. Save the file with the router model and date in the file name so you can track versions, and copy it to an external drive and a cloud folder. Make sure the export completes without error. This file is your restore point if settings are lost. To finish, securely store backups in 2 places and label them. You'll thank yourself if the router fails. Once done, test a restore on a spare unit or during a controlled maintenance window so you verify the process and timing. Make sure firmware versions match. Mismatched firmware often blocks config imports. If restore fails, roll back to the original firmware or export in the correct format, then retry. Finally, schedule monthly exports after any configuration changes to keep backups current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.